What's up, guys? We are back at Mike's grandma's pond, and Mike is cutting his grandma's grass right now. So it's just me. First cast with the Senko. Caught a little bass. So I'm gonna release him off of this pier. Just drop him down in there, and away he goes. I just casted out just a little Cleo, and I caught my second bass of the day. Very first cast with the Cleo, and he smashed it. And the only reason I threw this was because it was on the line, but I didn't want to change lures, so not a bad little fish. So let's let him go. Did your line just snap again? Dude, that's like the fourth lure you've lost. Line. New line, better knots, yeah. No, I mean, I'd probably say so. I have a problem. Snagged a koi. Oh, it came off. Never mind. Oh, that could have been bad. What? Oh, got a bass. Yeah. I mean, they all feel nice because I'm using an ultralight. Come on, dude. Come on. All right, guys. Third bass of the day. My best one, but still small. But he's my best, so. How about it, Mike? Got one. Yeah. Fourth fish of the day. And he gone. Alright. Fishing this clump of weeds now.
I know where he works.
Oh! Did you see that?
I told you there's a good one, dude.
Dude, that's not a good one, but did you see that?
Yeah, I saw it last second. You told me to eat that.
Oh, come on, get out of the weeds. Yay.
Should I put on like a Castmaster?
Look at that. He freaking smacked it. Finally hooked up. Good.
Oh, right.
He's not gonna lose it. Oh, right in the weeds. It's gone. Mike's never catching a fish.
He's right here.
Oh, Mike. Mike the monster.
Okay, I touched him.
Shut up, Mike. Shut up.
Alright, I'm sorry.
I'm just bouncing my freaking. Dude, this is screwed up. That's not even cool.
My pliers are in my car.
Oh my gosh. I caught a freaking snapping turtle. Oh, he got off. Yes.
Thank you.
Freaking turtles are stupid, dude. That is the first
time.
time.
My mom got the tip of her thumb bit off by one in South Carolina because you catch more snapping turtles down there than you do bass.
Yeah.
It's like bass fishing challenge. Try to catch a bass.
I'm so glad that turtle got off.
Dude.
I did not want to pick it up.
Yeah, that would have sucked.
I'd get bird flu.
Bruh.
Oh, Mike.
Please stay on.
Mike, I hope it comes off for the love of everyone.
It came off, bro.
No, it didn't. Oh, come on, Mike.
Roll? He's running right at us, boys. That's a breeder.
Get it out of the turtle bed.
That's a good one.
I caught a turtle. Mike caught a friggin' huge bullfrog. On the Cleo. The Cleo catches it all. Mike.
He's strong as an ox, bro.
Strong as an ox.
Ah! Dude,
yo.
He just killed himself. He's gone for good. Should I reach down there and get him?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Dude, look at that. They're all freaking trying to make love to the frog.
Why are they all ganging him?
I'm just waiting for a huge... Dude! Nuh-uh! That dude just ate a frog.
We literally just caught him on this. You could jump anywhere and you jumped into a bush.
All right, just caught a another fish. Just caught a friggin' biggest fish of the day.
Dude, I wish we had like a
On a-
aquarium at home.
Biggest fish of the day by far for me on the Senko. Huge fish. Put him in the pool. Fishing off the pier and caught another bass. You can see him right there. Well, the tricky part here is just reeling them up since I only have 4-pound test. Okay, got him up. Got him. Just like that. Another nice little bass. Perfect. As I pulled my lure out of the water, new species, caught a crappie.
Remember last time you hooked something in the brain?
It's not in the brain, it's in his back. And there he goes. I just hooked into another bass. Oh, he's running. Again, just the little Cleo, bouncing it along. Let's look at the fish. Pretty normal sized one. Kind of small, but it's a fish. Mike thinks he caught a 3-pounder.
Dude, that is 3 pounds.
I mean,
of all those eggs.
that's a fat belly. But Mike, that fish is nowhere close to 3 pounds.
Alright, you tell me.
Yeah, I'll give him 2.
3.
I mean, no way. That is nowhere close to 3.